Good afternoon, students. Students, this is your English grammar class. In the previous class, we discussed verbs. Can you remember? So, students, today we would be continuing with that chapter, verbs. Get ready. Page number 64. In the previous class, we learned about three types of verbs. We discussed about transitive verb, intransitive verb and incomplete verb. Okay? As I already told you, transitive verb needs an object, okay, to make sense. Transitive verb needs an object to make sense. Okay? Yes, very good afternoon, students. So, an intransitive verb makes good sense by itself, it does not need any object. An incomplete verb needs some words to make sense, okay, to make a complete sense. It does not need object, that is incomplete verb. So, today we will do from question number G, page number 64. Students, get ready, page 64. Number G. Koniru Hampi plays brilliant chess. Here, underline the verbs in these sentences. Then write whether they are transitive, intransitive or incomplete. So, underline plays. Can you see? Okay. Let me see, the board is clear? Okay. Plays transitive. Okay. Number 2 is cooking. Underline, that is next. Number 3, all the answers are incomplete. Number 4, she sang well. Sang, transitive. Number 5, the teachers helped. Transitive. Number 6, father seems. Incomplete. Number 7, will be. Transitive. Number 8, grow. Intransitive. Number 9, grew. Number 9, grew. Incomplete. Okay? Now, number 10, grow, we grow roses. Students, today I am quite late, isn't it? I think 4 minutes I am late. Okay. So, number 10, grow, transitive. Is sleeping. Intransitive. Number 12, finished. Transitive. Number 13, has broken. Has broken. Has broken what? Has broken the window. So, transitive. Number 14, the boys fly kites. Fly what? Fly kites. So, transitive. Number 15, the aeroplane was flying at a great speed. Was flying. Intransitive. What dance form are you learning? Are transitive. So, the chapter verbs are completed. Students, in the first attempt this chapter may seem difficult, hard chapter, but after practicing again and again this chapter will be easier for you. Okay? So, do not worry, just practice once more at home, write once more in your copy at home. Okay. Now, we will move to chapter number 11, articles. Today we will start a new chapter, articles. So, get ready, open page number 44. This chapter already you learned in class 4, isn't it, students? So, let us do the chapter articles. Okay? Articles. In alphabet, in English alphabet, we have how many letters, students, can you tell me? We have 26 letters. Okay? We have 26 letters and among them we have 5 vowels and the rest are consonants. Okay? The vowels A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? I, students, all of you mute your microphones. Mute your microphones. It is disturbing others. Okay. So, now A and D, 3 articles are there. A and D. A and are indefinite article. They are indefinite articles and the only definite articles. Okay. The, we use this article only when we talk about a particular person or a particular thing. That is why the is a definite article and a and are used only for singular number to denote singular number. Okay? And a and are used, they are used for common noun, okay, in singular number. Understood? But a, for a it is used when it begins with a consonant sound. Okay, it begins when it begins with a consonant sound, and an is used when it begins with a vowel sound. Clear? Okay. Now, for example, we use a before a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a girl, a dog, a cat, a tree, but H, it is a consonant, okay, but we cannot write a hour. Why? Because H, it begins with a vowel sound. That is why we need to write an hour. if we write a hour, no, that is not correct. Now, an is used before a vowel sound. An egg, okay, an umbrella, ₹1 note, ₹1 note. O is a vowel, but we cannot write an ₹1 note. Why? Because O begins with wow, okay, wow. That's why with a consonant sound. That's why we need to write a ₹1 note, okay. Uniform. U, vowel, but we cannot write an uniform, no, because yo, it begins with the sound consonant. That's why we write a uniform. Clear? Another thing is, we cannot use a, an for uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, no, we cannot use before uncountable nouns unless it made particular, okay. We cannot write a salt, okay, we cannot write because salt is uncountable. Now, move to number C, question number C. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Shomili, mute yourself, mute your microphone. Okay. Number 1. A useful hint for an essay, okay. Number 2, a letter and an envelope. Number 3, an idea for a story. Number 4, an egg and a slice of bread. Number 5, a European artist, an Indian engineer. Number 6, a ₹1 note, a 50 paise coin. Number 7, an English team, a cricket match. Number 8, a noble master, an honest servant, okay. Understood? So, a is used for countable nouns, singular and beginning with a consonant sound, okay. A is used for common noun, I already told, and also countables, okay, for singular number and begins with a consonant sound. An is used for common noun, okay, for countables, singular number and begins with a vowel sound. Clear, students? Now, move to page number 45. This time, students, you will give answer. Swastika or Chishman, Rishabh, now this time you will give the answer, all the students of 5 Oak. Concentrate. Concentrate here, students. Now, page number 45. Let me see who can give me the answer first. Number D 1. Here, fill in the blanks with A or N. Okay? Put cross where neither A nor N is needed. Hey, wait, don't give me answer first. Don't give me answer first. Let me ask the question. D1. When students, when you give the answer, you should put the question number also. Otherwise, your answer will not be granted. The first one, he does not take dash sugar. Number 1, give me answer. Put your question number, right? Number 1, Swastika, Shivam, Archishman, yes. Number 1, cross. Number 2, we need dash ambulance to take him to dash hospital. Swastika, I need 2 answers. Question number 2 needs, yes, Archishman. Swastika, you gave only 1 answer. Archishman, Shivam, okay, very good. You gave the right answer and A. And other students, why did you give only 1 answer? Shomojit, why? Ankush, why 1 answer? Swastika, why 1 answer? Here we need 2 answers. You didn't notice, I think you didn't notice. Again Shomojit, N only, no. Okay. Okay, Srijan, okay. But here the name is written as Swastika, that's why I thought, okay. Rishabh, right answer. Now, come to number 3. Give me the answer. Dash water, dash air are necessary for number 3. I need answer. Number 3. Yes. Archishman, Swastika. Yes. Number 3. Cross. Again, cross or A. Both are correct. If you write cross, correct. If you write cross, A, correct. But if you write cross, or A, both are correct. Both, not both, the 3 answers are correct. Yes. Now, come to number 4. I need number 4. Shomojit, correct. Rishabh, Archishman, Shivam, yes, correct. Now, this time, number 4. Archishman, you were the first one, then Shivam, Archishman and Shivam. You gave me the right answer at first. A gold ring will be an expensive gift. Very nice. Shomojit, you gave right answer. Rishabh, yes. Rafia. Okay, very good. Now, I need question number 5. I need the answer of question number 5. She is dash student of dash architecture. I need number 5. Number 5. Shivam, your answer is not correct. Archishman, no, Archishman. Shivam, Archishman, no. Rishabh, no. Archishman, no. Shivam, this time you are correct. Number 5, she is a student of cross. Now, Archishman, right. Now, number 6. Put question number. Number 6, A N. Who wrote first? It is Shivam. Number 6. They found a snake in an empty van. Number 6, A N. Shivam, right. Archishman, right. Rishabh, right. Number 6, Ankush, right. Rafia, you are also right. Archishman, already you gave the right answer. Rafia, you are correct. Shomojit, correct. Now, come to number 7. Number 7, I am reading dash poem. I am fond of dash poetry. Archishman, Shibham, yes, correct. Archishman correct. Rishabh, Ankush, very good, very good. Soumojit, what is this? Da. How can you write da? This option is not given here. Soumojit, you are correct. This time you are correct. Rafia, yes, your answer is correct. Misbah, Misbah, only one. Misbah, what is this? 2 answers I need. Number 7 needs 2 answers. Why Misbah? Why? Only one number? Give me the right answer, Misbah. Soumojit, you are correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. Number 7. I am reading a poem. I am fond of poetry. Shibham, your answer is correct. Correct. Now, Rishabh, correct. Number 8. Number 8. His brother is dash shopkeeper. His brother is dash shopkeeper. He sells dash cloth. Number 8. Archishman, Rafia, yes, correct, correct. Archishman, Rafia, Soumojit, Swastika, what is this? A, no needed. Soumojit, correct. His brother is a shopkeeper. He sells cloth. So, please check. Number D. D, number 1. He does not take sugar, cross sugar in his tea. He does not take cross sugar in his tea. Number 2. We need an ambulance to take him to a hospital. We need an ambulance to take him to the hospital, but the is not given here. That is why we will write a hospital. Number 3. Cross water and cross air are necessary for a life or life. Number 4. A gold ring will be an expensive gift. A gold ring will be an expensive gift. Number 5. She is a student. She is a student of cross architecture. Next, they found a snake in an empty van. We cannot write a architecture, an architecture, no. Then comes number 6. They found a snake. They found a snake in an empty tin. Okay. Number 7. I am reading a poem. I am fond of cross poetry. Number 8. His brother is a shopkeeper. He sells cross cloth. Okay, he sells cloth. So, students, today up to this. Okay, we will meet in the next class. You write, you practice at home again and again. Students, do you find this chapter tough? Do you find this chapter difficult, or the verbs chapter is difficult? Do you find that? Is the 2 chapters are difficult? Okay. I think article chapter is interesting also, isn't it? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy this chapter? Okay. So, students, we will meet in the next class. Okay. So, today up to this, now give me your attendance. Okay. Bye, students. Okay. Bye.